so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And I have a great idea what we could draw today. Let's draw an animal. A really big animal. It's the third largest living land animal today. Yeah, it's a hippopotamus. Oh, what a silly name. Hippopotamus. You can just call him a hippo. All right, let's see. Hippos are really big. So let's draw an oval. Yeah, for its mouth area. Ooh, and then half circle for its head. Ooh, and let's draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Ooh, and then 2 little cute ears. There we go. Ooh, and 2 dots for the nose. Little smiley face. And a really big body because they're so big. Ooh, and then there's 1 back leg and another back leg. Kind of looks like a rectangle. Big belly, and then 2 rectangles up here for the legs. But you can't forget about the tail. There we go. There we go. Hey, hippo. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to draw something else with me? Yeah, let's draw the night sky. Wow, at nighttime, is there the sun or the moon? Yeah, the moon. So let's act like we're drawing a circle, but let's stop halfway. And then let's arch it back the same way. Yeah, that looks like the moon, doesn't it? Yeah, the moon actually can look different. Yeah, at different times of the month. Yeah, because light hits it in different ways. Oh, hey, and what else is in the night sky? Yeah, stars. Let's draw some orange stars. There we go. Wow, this is perfect. I love the nighttime. Oh, it's so relaxing. And look, my 2 favorite colors, blue and orange. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Trick or treat. Whoa. Do you know what trick or treat is from? Yeah, Halloween. And do you know what people decorate their houses with? Jack-o'-lanterns! Yeah! Jack-o'-lanterns are pumpkins that they carve pieces out to make silly faces with, and they look really cool. So first, let's take orange because pumpkins are orange. And then let's draw a circle, but it's not a normal circle. It's a squished down circle, as if you squished it from the top and the bottom. And then let's draw some lines. Yeah, so then we can give it some texture, but then we need a stem right up here. Just like that. There you go. Whoa! And then for the silly face. Whoa! Let's draw some triangles. There we go. There we go. And for the mouth. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, like a tooth. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Trick or treat. I was just acting like a bear. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Speaking of a bear, why don't we draw a bear together? Wow, bears are so cute. They're cuddly, ooh, like a teddy bear. But bears in the wild you want to stay away from. All right, first let's draw a circle for the head. There we go. And then an oval for the body. Ooh, and then, yeah, for the nose right there. Ooh, and another circle for the eye. Ooh, and a button nose. There we go. Oh, doesn't that start to look like a bear right now? Yeah, and then for the body, ooh, and one arm right there, a leg, another leg, and the arm. Wow. Oh, can't forget about the 2 cute little ears up there. Rah. Wasn't this fun drawing a bear with me? Yeah, I love drawing with you. If you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Let's draw an animal together. Okay, you can guess what animal it is. It's really tall, has a really long neck. Yeah, and they live in Africa. Yeah, a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe together. First, let's draw the head. Ooh, there we go. 2 little ears, just like that. Oh, and then on top, they have these things called ossicones. Yeah, they kind of look like horns, but they're a lot cuter. All right, 2 small eyes. There we go. And then 2 nostrils, and then a smiley face. Nose, mouth, and eyes. All right, now let's draw the really long neck. Yeah, there we go. And then there's the body. Oh, and then it has 4 legs. There we go. And then the feet. Perfect. And the tail. Whoa. Whoa. And you can't forget about all the spots, just like that. Oh, there we go. So cute. Wasn't this so much fun drawing a giraffe together? Yeah! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Bye-bye! Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Did you hear that? Sounds like a monster truck. Whoa! I love monster trucks and I love drawing. Let's draw a monster truck together. First, let's start with the cab right up top. Whoa, that's where the driver sits. And then, yeah, let's make a big rectangle right here. But instead of connecting it, we need to make space for the big tires with half circles. All right, and how does the monster truck cab attach to the tires? With giant shocks! Yeah! All right, there we go. And what's it missing? Giant wheels and tires! Yeah! So 2 big circles right there, and 2 big circles right there. And then a square for a window. Wow! Now does that look like a monster truck, or does that look like a monster truck? Yeah! Well, if you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we draw a lizard together? Wow, lizards are so cool. Yeah, it's an animal and it's a reptile, and they live on every continent on planet Earth, except for Antarctica. Whoa. All right, first let's start with the head. All right, here we go. Whoa, what kind of shape does that look like? Kind of looks like a pentagon. Yeah, and then the body. Oh, there we go. Ooh, and then the tail way over here. Whee! Whoa! How does that look? And what's it missing? Yeah, it's 4 limbs. One right here. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Oh, and we can't forget the eyes and the nostrils and the tongue. There we go. Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!